Bismillah-ar-Rahman-ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Syed Imran Ali's AI voice assistant. I'm here to make computer science concepts easy, practical, and useful for your learning journey. Let's begin. Slide 14, Module 4, Material Management Module. Welcome to Module 4, Material Management, also called module in ERP. This module helps businesses manage their materials, stock, and inventory from purchase to storage to usage. Slide 15. What is Material Management Module? The module tracks all the physical materials your company uses. It makes sure you always know what's in stock, where it is stored, and when to order more. Connects with other ERP modules like procurement, to buy materials, sales, to update inventory, and production, to supply raw materials. Example. Let's say a warehouse manager is using SAP They can open the dashboard and instantly check how many units of an item are in stock, which warehouse it's in, and if more needs to be ordered. Slide 16. Core functions of module. Inventory management tracks all stock in real time. Goods movement records when items are received, issued, or moved. Stock valuation calculates the value of all materials in stock. Warehouse management keeps track of items in bins, racks, and storage locations. Material master data stores detailed info about each material, like weight, supplier, and reorder level. This means that nothing is lost or forgotten, everything is recorded and tracked clearly. Slide 17. Benefits of the module. Why is important? Avoids stockouts, no running out of important items. Avoids overstocking, saves storage space and money. Helps in planning, you can plan purchases based on real data. Improves warehouse work, less confusion, better organization. Reduces loss, materials are less likely to be lost or stolen. Tracks usage, you can see how much of each material is used and when. Example. A furniture company uses Odoo's module. They set reorder levels for raw wood. So, during busy seasons, the system auto-alerts when stock gets low, and they never run out. In short, material management keeps your materials well organized and your rope. Slide 18, Module 5, Manufacturing Module. Let's now look at the Manufacturing Module, also known as Production Planning or PP. This module helps companies manage the entire production process from planning to execution. Slide 19, Introduction to Manufacturing Module. The manufacturing module controls how products are made. It includes 4 main steps. Planning, scheduling, execution, monitoring. This module works closely with material management, for raw materials, sales, for orders, and finance, for cost tracking. Example, a mobile phone company gets a large order. The ERP system checks how many materials are in stock, creates a production schedule, and assigns tasks to machines all in one place. Slide 20, Core functions of the manufacturing module. Bill of materials. This is a list of all the raw materials and components needed to make one product. Routing, the step-by-step process used to build the product. Work center, the machine or person assigned to each step of the job. Production order, the command to start manufacturing. Capacity planning, this checks if the machines and workers are free to do the job on time. These features help companies avoid delays and manage resources properly. Slide 21, Types of Manufacturing in ERP. Make to stock. MTS products are made in advance and stored for sale. Make to order. NTO products are only made after a customer places an order. Assemble to order. ATO pre-made parts are assembled when the order comes. Engineer to order. ETO, a unique product, is designed and built based on special customer needs. Example, a bakery uses make to order. They bake cakes only after someone places an order. On the other hand, a chips factory uses make to stock. It produces large quantities and stores them. ERP helps you stay on track, avoid delays, and deliver the order on time.